Sherry. I hope that you're having a wonderful day. Y'all, we had a special guest to appear in a recent video. Don't even know how I missed it. Didn't invite him, he just showed up. Did you miss it? Thanks to one of our sharp-eyed friends of the channel, Teresa Costello, I now know that he made an appearance. And in the video, at around the 6-minute mark, he shows up. I'm going to play that portion of the video for you. Let me know if you see our guest. Did you see him? I didn't see him until Teresa pointed him out. It became very clear that, oh yes, he was there. And I don't know who he looks like to you, but to Teresa, he looks like Alfred Hitchcock. So when I looked at him, that's exactly what I immediately saw. But who do you see? So leave me a comment below and let me know if you were able to see our surprise guest. I will be back this afternoon at my normal uploading time of 4 p.m. Eastern Time, but I wanted to hop on and just share this because I thought it was just so cute and funny when she pointed it out to me. And Teresa, thank you so much, because when I first read your comment, I thought, what is she talking about? But then when I went back and looked, oh, you definitely gave me my laugh for the day. So thank you so very much. So guys, I hope you can come back later today at 4 o'clock because we have 5 more fabulous things that I'll be going over that I think you'll enjoy. But in the meantime, good evening.